हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. माय नेम इज़ रोशनी. सो आज के वीडियो के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ ह्यूज सरोजनी नगर हॉल. Before starting this video, if you haven't watched my Sarojini or the day in my life vlog yet, I've put a I link over there so that you can go ahead and check it out and see the collection that I showed you before you watch this haul. So starting up with today's haul, I got two pretty anarkali kurtas, or you can say the flowy kurtas. And if you are not from Delhi or do not stay nearby Delhi but you want to buy something very similar to the pieces that I'm going to show you today, you can easily shop from Mera link. You can find all the similar dresses in this haul only from the link that I have provided you, which is mentioned in the description box below. Shop and get huge discounts as Mera link prices are reasonable as compared to other websites. You can also order through WhatsApp for hustle-free shopping experience. You also get cash on delivery, free shipping, 5 days return and exchange policy. So why not go ahead and check it out. Now let's start with the actual haul. The first one that I have is this one. This is a very pretty ochre yellow anarkali vibe set, not exactly anarkali but anarkali, yeah. And this one costed for like 300 rupees, which is really good. इसमें ऐसे काफ़ी सुंदर सा डिटेलिंग भी दे रखा है. And this one is really loved by my mom. It really looks very royal, and you know the kapda is really good. The next one is actually one of my favorites and I totally love it, and I guess it looks amazing on my mom. So this one is very lime yellowish color. I don't know, camera mein it looks yellow but it is very, you know, that light lime color, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Like look at this फ्लोइनेस. इसमें आगे ऐसे मिरर डिटेलिंग दे रखे हैं एंड देन देयर इज दिस क्रिस क्रॉस डिटेलिंग एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इसमें चुन्नी या पैंट कुछ नहीं था, लाइक बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड बस ये घेरा टाइप का ही दे रखा है इसमें, एंड नीचे इसके दो ऐसे लटकन भी दे रखे हैं. सो दिस वन वॉज फॉर लाइक 350 रुपीज़, विच वॉज अ ग्रेट एंड अमेजिंग डील आई गेस, बिकॉज इस क्वालिटी में सरोजनी में मिल जाना वॉज रियली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बाय. नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अ लॉट ऑफ बॉटम्स दैट आई गॉट दिस टाइम. आई वेंट crazy when it comes to bottoms this time because I don't know, I don't own anything like them. So let's just get on to this one. The first pair of pants that I have is this black checkered one, which was 4 rupees, just 100. Can you believe it? Just 100. And the quality is really good. I won't say कि ये cotton का है but it is a mixture, and इसको पहनने से थोड़ी सी गर्मी लगती है. I'll prefer this one for winters but मैं गर्मियों में पहन लेती हूँ because why not. And this one looks really nice, fits me really well. Sometimes you have to go through really nicely. वो जो racks होते हैं 100 रुपए वाले, मैंने वहीं से काफ़ी सारे उठाए थे, and I tell you I really like it. The zip is really good, and the fact that this really has long pockets. इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे से बहुत सारा सामान आ जाता है. लोग मुझे 10 रुपये भी मिले, पता नहीं मैंने कब रखे होंगे इसमें, बट या. एंड द लेंथ इज़ ऑल्सो रियली नाइस. दीज आर रियली baggy pants which is very good. It's so in trend, like these kind of baggy pants, jeans, सब कुछ baggy. Even the shirts baggy are very in trend right now. If you go through Pinterest and everything, you will get these kind of pants, people wearing it with solid t-shirt, printed t-shirts. So वो सोच के मैं ये लेके आई थी. So the next pair that I have is in a brown black shade. I really like this, and इसमें extra button भी है for a change, क्योंकि अगर एक बटन खो गया तो. So this one is also not that long, and again it's really broad, and this has long pockets, which is a blessing for a girl's wardrobe, because girls के pants में really, I don't know, why don't you guys give pockets for girls? क्यों हमारे पास सामान नहीं होता रखने को? Anyway, तो ये भी काफ़ी अच्छे मटेरियल का है, and again this one is also for 100 bucks, which is great. The next one is one of my favorite because I don't think so I own a pant in yellow color. sorry, like this shade of yellow, and I posted a picture on Instagram with this lavender top that I got, and you guys seem to love it, that combination. I mean, yellow and lavender are just so like made for each other's type. So this one is also a little large on me, so what I do is I put on the button from this side and then hook it on, then it fits me. Otherwise, of course, I have to give it to tailor bhaiya to make it my size, but the length is again perfect for me. It's not too long, not too short, perfectly fits until my ankle, which is great. And I really like this one. The material is also very nice. It's like one of those Raymond's formal pants material, if I say. Like, I'm explaining how this feels. बहुत बहुत अच्छे material का है, and again for $100 it's a win-win situation. I mean, I really like this. I can't wait to style it. I don't really style my clothes, मैं बस बोलती हूँ, because I'm very basic when it comes to daily wear. You see me with a baggy loose shirt and jeans. That's how I'm going to wear all of these, with baggy shirts, or I don't know. I mean, I really like this one. Looking for like these bottoms. I really wanted something in grey, because grey is very pretty color when it comes to winter, but it was sold out. या तो मैं कहूँ एक दूसरी लड़की ले चुकी थी उसको. So I got a black one, perfect for formal wear. Of course, it's ढीला, मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑल्टर करवाना पड़ेगा, बट देन आई रियली लाइक इट. द लेंथ इज़ परफेक्ट, एंड अगेन दिस इज़ रियली बैगी. मैं सारे पैंट्स ऐसे ही लेके आई हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, इट्स skinny jeans is no more for me. Like, I don't care if I look short in the proper whatever I'm wearing, but on for these kinds of pants. The next one that I have is a jeans, a very wide legged, high waisted pants. Now this one I got for rupees 200, and I tell you, ये एक steal deal था, because this one is of really good quality and it fits me perfectly. So this has button in front like this. इसमें वो chain detailing नहीं है, but buttons, and आगे ऐसे दो pockets हैं, which is really very unique, and पीछे भी pockets हैं, which is again a plus point. I mean, सारे jeans में ही होता है, and also it's very wide legged, which is very good and perfect for me, because again I told you, I don't care if I look short, but the quality and the, you know, the presence of the material should be good. So yeah, I really love this one. So the next bottom that I have is a denim skirt. Now this one is the one, it's a little bit longer than the usual. मतलब ये ठीक मेरे नी के नीचे आता है थोड़ा सा, which is great. I mean, थोड़ा सा short होता तो शायद अच्छा लगता, but then I don't mind. I really like this one. ये भी मुझे एक size बड़ा है, which I don't mind. मैं belt लगा के इसको ठीक कर सकती हूँ, या फिर I can give it to the tailor bhaiya for alteration. But look at this one. This looks really cool. I got it for like $250 and I really like it. थोड़ा सा गीला दिख रहा होगा क्योंकि इसको मैंने धो के सुखाया था, और ये सूखा नहीं है अभी तक. Anyways, this has pockets on both the sides and पीछे भी, and पूरा you know this kind of button detailing है. मैं बहुत बार denim लेके आई हूँ वहाँ से, like the skirts, and sometimes they fit me, sometimes they don't. This one I don't mind. It doesn't fit me, but it looks really nice. The quality is also very good. So that were all the bottoms that I had with me. Next I have few shirts and tops. Now you guys know I love lavender color, and ऐसे वाले टॉप्स आर रियली ट्रेंडिंग राइट नाउ. ये ज़ारा और H&M में काफ़ी महंगे मिलते हैं, लाइक 700-800. I got it for 150. Of course the quality will differ because it's from Sarojini, and the fit will also differ, which is okay with me because मुझे सिर्फ वीडियो के लिए चाहिए था. ऐसे सिंचन करने का भी दे रखा है, like the tops in H&M and Zara. I really like this. This is a perfect lavender color. Looks really pretty if I wear it with the yellow pant, you can see. And yeah, I really like this one. ये कलर में मुझे अच्छा लगा, so I got it in a black also, because black आप किसी के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. Looks really nice and really good. This one is the black one. ये मैंने अपनी एक रील में पहना था, and so many of you asked me where did I get it from. सरोजनी. So both of them I got for each 150 150. वो एक को 300 बोल रहे थे, but I got both of them half the price of each. Next two shirts are very Disney Mickey Mouse. I don't know, I mean उस दिन मुझे सारे मिकी माउस के टी शर्ट्स मिल रहे थे और इतने प्यारे प्यारे टी शर्ट्स थे for like 150 and 100 rupees, which was really nice. I got this one for like 150 rupees. Just look at this. This is a really nice long slouchy shirt, but वेरी नाइस. इसमें बोलता तो है कि ये डिज्नी ब्रांड का है, बट एनी वे हु केयर्स. आई गॉट इट इन अ साइज मीडियम एंड इट्स लाइक ओवर साइज फॉर मी. एंड इसमें मिकी का ये वाला कैरेक्टर दे रखा है, लाइक द ओल्ड कैरेक्टर, विच लुक्स रियली नाइस. एंड द कलर इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी नाइस न्यूट्रल ब्लैक with neutral beige. Looks really nice. I really like it. And the quality is like pure cotton, and I guess for 150 bucks this is really nice. The next one that I have, I got it for home basically. मुझे grey t-shirts बहुत पसंद है and उसमें भी मिकी बना है. And again a very ढीला one because घर के लिए आई डोंट वॉन्ट एनीथिंग वेरी टाइट. आई रियली लाइक समथिंग दैट इज़ वेरी लूज एंड वेरी comfortable to be in. There are only few things left in clothing item now. I don't know how should I express this happiness, but I got covert sets each for rupees 350. कहाँ एक को भैया was quoting 1200. I got it down to 350. So I ended up getting both of them in shades of green, like both of them in different shades of green. The first one is a skirt and a blazer. Now this is what it looks like. Again वहाँ पे सब कुछ oversize ही होगा, बहुत बड़ा. Like look at this. ये मेरा कमर का साइज नहीं है. My कमर का साइज would be this much, so I have to obviously alter it, but this one is the first one. This is a very bottle green kind of skirt, and the blazer is so damn good. Let me show you. So this is the blazer with the same one जिसमें यहाँ पे padding भी दे रखा है, so that you know the structure stays. And wow, just look at the quality. I really like it. Use the blazer on winter, like in winters, and this really has these nice pockets. This is a pantsuit. It's in this khaki olive color, which is a little cropped, यानी कि मेरे ankle length से थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, and but it is so good and it fits me so nicely. थोड़ा सा ढीला है, but I don't mind, but it looks really nice. I have a same top like this in a lace kind of stuff. Now talking about the blazer is also very lightweight, यानी कि मैं इसको summers के लिए भी पहन सकती हूँ. ये इस क्वालिटी का blazer है, and again इसके कंधों पे ऐसे padding भी दे रखा है so that the shape is not out, and it's also like a 3/4 cropped blazer. मैं क्या बोलूँ, how do I explain? The sleeves are like this short, which is perfect. I don't mind. It's okay because पैंट के साथ मैच भी करेगा. And again इसमें ऐसे 2 buttons भी हैं यहाँ पे, and again this blazer has pockets in it, which is of course style मारने के लिए तो चाहिए ही. I can again pair this thing and style this thing in a lot of ways. So I guess दोनों को 350 में लेके आना was a good deal. And yeah, you can get a lot of blazers and pants like this. काफ़ी पैसे बच जाते हैं if you are into corporate. So that was it for clothing. I mean इतने ही कपड़े थे मेरे पास. And then I got 2 bucket hats. If you remember, I got previously 2 that was in black and sky blue. This time I went ahead with a little more daring thing, and I got a yellow one and another white one. Both were for rupees 200. Looks really cool. I need to have this confidence to wear these in public. I mean, now that there are masks, no one judges you anyway if your face is not visible. And then I also got bags. I love bags from Sarojini for the part that they are really cheap but in very good quality. Now the first one I got, this one is in very pastel blue. It's looking minty in the camera, but it's not. It's actually very nice quality pastel blue bag with this kind of detailing, and वेरी बेसिक वन. इसका मैंने कागज़ भी नहीं हटाया अभी तक. इट्स बिन 2 weeks. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द इनसाइड लुक्स लाइक. इट्स वेरी स्पेशियस. काफ़ी कुछ आ जाता है. मैं चाहूँ तो आई कैन रिमूव दिस स्ट्रैप एंड कैन होल्ड द बैग ओनली बाय दिस. आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर 500 rupees. Yeah, the bags have really like उनके prices काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं इस बार. So for 500 not really bad, but अगर ये 350 का मिलता then I would have said this is worth it. But for 500 I guess I could have got pretty much good quality, like pretty much more prettier bag than this, but then okay, I don't mind it. The next one is my absolute favorite, just because I have one of my shoes that is like exactly how this is, just to maintain the shape of this. And this one was for rupees 400, and I think for 400 it's a pretty good deal. This has one chain and it's again really spacious from inside, which is really nice. I can carry it nicely. I'm not into these kind of shoulder bags, but I guess this one was really worth the price. The last bag that I have is a very random purchase. I really liked the fringe detailing on it, and I guess अगर मैं travel करूँ and मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सामान लेना पड़े, this would be a really nice option. I got this cloth bag. This one was for rupees 200. Again a very good quality cotton material. इसके side में ऐसे long fringes हैं, so it really gives a nice vibe to it. And आगे में ऐसे very boho kind of detailing है, with this little mirror work, not exactly mirror, glitter mirror work, but yeah, I really like this. This is not a adjustable strap. इसकी लंबाई इतनी ही है, ये मेरे कमर तक आ ही जाता है, which I don't mind. I really like it, and for the price this was really worth it. So I also got a lot of earrings from Sarojini. उसके लिए I'll make another video which will be up soon. It's basically all the earrings that I got from there, and around there are 10 to 15 pieces, so that's why I'll show it to you guys in another video. Anyway, that was it for today. If you're new to my channel, hi, and if you want to see such more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification ताकि मैं जब भी नया video upload करूँ you guys get notified. And also do not forget to like this video and give a huge thumbs up. I'm really happy that we almost have crossed 2K, and I'm very thankful for whosoever is watching from the very start, or whosoever has joined me newly. Thank you so much for being a part of this family, and I hope you guys will enjoy the videos further that I'm going to put on this channel. Anyways, do not forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are staying safe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.